Where we going, darling?
Studio bar 54.
56. Yeah, it's 56,
Yes.
darling.
Yeah, to eat some mushy peas.
And fish and chips.
Yeah,
The British way.
British way.
Yeah, we love it, don't we, darling?
Yeah, let's go.
Yeah, let's go and
Check
try
them
some
out.
fish and chips. It's an English bar here. And yeah, all the English people here, they say it's really good there. So
And I went to the big toilet and so now I have spare place.
yeah, now we have spare place for the fish and chips, darling. Yeah. So viewers, yeah, we arrived here at Rachel's place, bar 56 in Finestrat.
Yeah, Finestrat.
Yeah, it's a bit 3 kilometers away from Benidorm, and they make lovely fish and chips here. Look at that. Just look at that.
With mushy peas.
Yeah, with mushy peas, look at that. The service is absolutely fantastic, look at that. This is the real deal, isn't it, darling? So have a taste, darling, of the mushy peas. Give it a taste.
I try first.
Yeah. Show them, darling. Show them.
So we do like that. And
Yeah.
then we have a green fry.
Yeah, look at that.
Very good, eh?
Yeah. This is the real deal, isn't it, darling?
Ah,
This is fish and chips the British way, isn't it?
yeah.
So yeah, put a bit of lemon on top, like that. This is the place to be, isn't it? At Rachel's place, bar 56. Honest, look
The
at
best place to be here.
that. Yeah, for fish and chips, yeah, definitely. Want to give it a try? Let's have a try. Fish and chips, look at that. Cod and the batter is made from Rachel. She made it. The real deal. Yeah. Absolutely delicious. Yeah, this is a winner. So if you come to Finestrat, not far from Benidorm, you go to bar 56 and order yourself some fish and chips. Absolutely fantastic. We love it.
Yeah. This is the place. Nice people, English people over here. Bar 56, Finestrat. This is the place to be, yeah?
And if you really want to do it the British way, you can put some vinegar on the chips, eh? This is some vinegar, eh? Look at that. This is the British way, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, look at that. We love it, don't we?
Yeah.
So yeah, it's time to tuck in, innit?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's tuck in.
Let's tuck in, eh? Enjoy. So yes, guys, this is bar 56, and the owner of the bar is Rachel. She's from the UK. Look at that. This is absolutely bliss. This is the place to be, innit? Look at that. Now we're going inside of the bar. This is the lady who ordered us at the bar. This is the the bar. And this is where Rachel makes the fish and chips. Look at that. It was delicious, absolutely bliss. Yeah, this is the kitchen where Rachel makes the fish and chips. Look at that. It's fantastic, isn't it? This is the place to be, isn't it? Bar 56. Look at that. So yeah, now we're back heading outside. Yeah, we love it here, don't we? Then you've got all the hotels here. And then you go to the little seafront over there. Look at that. Yeah, look at that. So yeah, if you want fish and chips, come to Bar 56. Honest. These are the best fish and chips that I've eaten in a long time ago. Isn't it, darling? Yeah, we're going to come more here, eh? Often.
Once a week.
Once a week, eh?
Twice.
Twice a week.
Or triple.
Yeah, or maybe every day, yeah. Now a little Mitzi girl. She enjoys it too, eh? In Bar 56, doesn't she? Look at that, she loves it, doesn't she? She loves it. So guys, yeah, now we're having a Sunday roast with our English friends from the UK. Yeah, it's exciting, isn't it? Yeah, let's have a look. Look at them, they're enjoying it, aren't they? Yeah, this is the real deal, isn't it? Look at that. Sunday roast, look at that. The British way.
Introduce yourself.
That's Johnny. Cora. Sylvia. Estelle.
Steve. I'm Bonkers.
Yeah. So yeah, we're all bonkers here, eh? One happy family, having a good life and enjoying ourselves.
Yeah, waiting for my beer.
Yeah. Yeah. Let's take a picture. So yeah, we have this wonderful Sunday roast with our British friends that we met on the campsite. Now we're all having a drink together. Look at that. It's lovely, isn't it, darling? Look at that. All having a drink together, happy people together, eh? Look at that. It's lovely, isn't it? Yeah, cheers. Yeah, cheers, eh? Peace and love, darlings. Lovely, isn't it? That's real life, isn't it? This is real deal, isn't it? Look at that. Yeah, we love it. A little mixy girl. Yeah, we're back here at Bar 56. Look at that. Yes. Today we visited Bar 56 in Cala Finestrat, and what a great little place this is for food, drinks and good vibes. A cosy British style bar with friendly people, tasty homemade meals and a relaxed atmosphere close to Benidorm. Bar 56 is known for its fish and chips, Sunday roast, steak pie and fun karaoke nights. The staff made us feel very welcome and the outdoor terrace is the perfect spot to sit back and enjoy the evening. If you are in Cala Finestrat and looking for a nice place with good food and entertainment, this is definitely worth a visit. Another little bonkers adventure full of great memories, good people and tasty food. After enjoying a delicious meal at Bar 56, the bonkers adventure continued. We headed to the little beach in Finestrat, where we took in the sea views before setting off on foot towards the new Benidorm and old Benidorm. From modern skyscrapers to charming old streets, we explored every corner with our usual bonkers spirit. Sometimes the best way to discover a place is simply by walking, taking your time and enjoying the journey. Come along and explore Benidorm with us. Alright guys, yeah, we're in Benidorm.
Benidorm.
Yeah, the place to be.
Yeah.
All the British people are here, aren't they? Yeah. Look at that. And all the birds and look at that. And look what we bought for our little Mitzi girl.
For a lazy little Mitzi.
Yeah, she got a new Ferrari, hasn't she? Let's have
It's because it was too far walking
Yeah,
from where we are with the van until here.
Yeah.
It's a long way, the streets walking.
and now she's got her own little van.
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll show
Look at
you.
that.
Yeah.
That's a red Ferrari.
Yeah, look at that little Mitzi girl. Loves it, doesn't she? She loves it. So, darling.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Now we are in Benidorm.
yeah. Yeah, van life at its best, isn't it?
Yeah. Enjoy life.
Yeah, now we're in the
New side.
new Benidorm
Yeah.
site. We just come from the old Benidorm. Yeah, look at that. Yeah, look at that.
Tell me something about the thing in the middle there.
Yeah, the rock here.
You can see it from everywhere you walk. The rock
Yeah,
follows
it
you.
always follows you. So yeah,
Yeah.
up to the next adventure, eh, darling? Yeah. Yeah, the pigeons, darling. Yeah, this is the pigeon show, isn't it?
Yeah.
This is old Benidorm, isn't it?
Old Benidorm.
Yeah.
The pigeons.
Yeah, look at that.
Hi, darling.
Hi, darling.
Are you-
back
you-
in old Benidorm again.
Are you knackered?
Knackered.
From what?
From taxi pony all here.
But it's good for your health.
Yeah. Yeah, it is, isn't it? I'm bloody knackered. No,
But the doggy is not knackered.
no, she's been pushed around there.
Hey, Rhoda. You're not knackered, eh? Oh, here he goes with the doggy. Doggy walk. It's busy, busy. Walking in Benidorm Saturday night. Hi, darling.
Hi, darling.
Are you happy?
Yeah, welcome to Benidorm.
Yeah, it's busy, huh?
Yeah.
It's busy. All those people. Everybody is out taking a walk. Uh-oh. 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 Oh.
The herd, eh?
The herd.
The herd. Follow the herd, you see. Yeah.
The herd.
The herd, yeah.
Fitness at Benidorm. Fitness. Oh, fitness. Fitness.
So guys, hope you love this video, and if you are planning to come to Finestrat,
Yeah,
not far from Benidorm,
yeah,
don't forget to visit Rachel's Bear.
yeah, Rachel.
Yeah, Bear 56.
La
Cala
Finestrat.
Yeah. So
The
if you,
best place
for fish and chips
fish and chips.
and
Sunday roast.
Sunday roast and mushy peas.
Oh, the mushy peas, wow.
Yeah, the mushy peas, and you can also get food a la carte.
A la carte.
So, thank you, Rachel, for the hospitality, wonderful service, and also to all the people who worked there. They did also a very wonderful job. They're still doing a wonderful job, being polite to the people, good service, and not to forget the bingo. Yeah.
Oh yeah, that guy was funny, yeah, from the bingo.
Yeah, lovely.
Ah, very gentleman.
A very lovely gentleman.
Yeah.
So, if you enjoyed, see you on the next one.
Okay.
Yeah.
Love you, Rachel.
Love you.
And all the barman and the waitress
Yeah.
and the bingo man.
Lots of love from us, and see you on the next one.
Bye.
Bye.
We will miss you.
We will miss you.
Oh.